The MOVI-C modular automation system from SEW-EURODRIVE includes drives, frequency inverters and controllers, and intelligently connects them with state-of-the-art industrial communication technology. MOVILINK DDI, the digital data interface, now makes your drive technology even smarter, as standard. You are already connecting your application with the future. Benefit from fast installation, automatic fault detection, and intelligent sensor technology to reduce installation times, error sources, and costs. The heart of your digital motor integration, the MOVILINK DDI communication unit. Many applications, one solution. A communication unit that combines all of the information and makes it available via MOVILINK DDI. Data for automatic startup, position data, brake control, and condition monitoring functions, for example. Our robust and high-performance single-cable technology saves time and costs. Thanks to coaxial signal cables with hybrid connection technology. Condition monitoring of the drive is possible within seconds, from anywhere. You react in good time to errors or plan your maintenance cycles predictively. With the help of the DriveRadar IoT app, you receive all important information immediately, such as current status information, maintenance instructions, and help for spare parts and their installation. This means that even complex interventions, such as maintaining a working brake, will be successful. This is effective digitalization for optimum availability of your automation technology. The Edge Processing Unit makes complex data filtering and analyses possible for predictive forecasts about the condition of your systems, for minimizing idle states and avoidable costs. The drive is monitored in real time using a digital twin, your virtual drive. The data is connected in the cloud and is accessible from anywhere for comprehensive, predictive maintenance management. MOVI-C with MOVILINK DDI and DriveRadar from SEW-EURODRIVE makes digitalization possible, intelligent and integrated. Connect your application with the future now.